Hello, I'm back and I want to show you how to make a very simple homemade loaf bread with just 6 ingredients and 6 steps. Flour, sugar, yeast, butter, salt and warm water. Here are the steps. Sieve your flour, set it aside, about 400 grams is enough. Pour your warm water into your mixer or bowl, add your yeast, also your sugar, 3 tablespoons for 5 minutes. When you see your foam, then your yeast is active and ready for use. Add a pinch of salt. Start adding your flour gradually until you get an elastic texture. Once you do, drop in your 2 tablespoons of butter. Mix it a bit and it's ready for the first rising. Grease your loaf pan and dust with flour or use a parchment paper. Set it aside. Now after an hour, you can see the dough is about twice its size. Deflate, cut into 2, roll and place it into your loaf pan for the second rising for about 45 minutes. Preheat your oven 5 minutes before baking. Calmly wait for another 30 to 45 minutes to bake, and you have successfully baked a very soft and delicious loaf bread. Once my bread is out of the oven, I'm slicing and lacing mine with butter. We have several types of breads and ingredients and different methods of making them, but for my simple 6 ingredients and 6 steps, it's easy, delicious and so yummy loaf bread. So do recreate this recipe and enjoy yourself.